Without stepping foot on Mars, humans have already left over 15,000 pounds of trash in 50 years of robotic exploration. Humans have left more than 15,000 pounds of trash on Mars in the last 50 years, and no humans have ever set foot on the red planet. Kagri Killick, a robotics postdoctoral fellow at the University of West Virginia, analyzed the masses of all rovers and orbiters sent to Mars and reduced their currently operating weight, yielding 15,694 pounds of debris. Garbage includes discarded hardware, inactive spacecraft, and those that have crashed on the surface, most notably the Soviet Union's Mars Orbiter 2, which made an emergency landing in 1971. Not only have humans polluted other planets, but scientists are concerned about debris. The debris could contaminate samples collected by NASA's Perseverance rover, which is currently searching for ancient life on Mars. Much of the debris was unavoidable, as many pieces had to be removed to protect the spacecraft as it drifted through the red planet's hellish atmosphere, including NASA's Perseverance, which survived 7 minutes of hell when it launched in February 2021. The rover, which is on Mars collecting samples to return to Earth, captured images of the debris during its mission. In June, a NASA team on Earth spotted a distant light in an image sent back from Perseverance, which they then ordered the rover to look at. A few weeks later, Perseverance entered Hogwallow Flats territory and acquired a high-resolution 360-degree Z panorama mass scan. The image shows that the bright light is a reflection of the thermal blanket. This serves to protect car-sized vehicles from extreme temperatures when landing. The ceiling is tucked into a corner of some stones and seems to reflect light. The cruiser's companion, the Ingenuity helicopter, also captured images of the landing gear in use upon its arrival with Perseverance in 2021. The parachutes and conical envelopes that protect the rover in space and during its fuzzy descent to the Martian surface are seen in great detail. More recently, in June, Perseverance discovered a piece of Dacron's networks that helped it land safely on Mars. And because of the Martian winds, the tight web begins to unravel and becomes visible 3 weeks later as a tangle of thread-like material. Then there's a dead Mars robot, NASA's Opportunity, which was active from 2004 to mid-2018. This cruiser weighted about 347 pounds, the same weight as hippopotamus, and is now stuck on Martian's ground. However, it leaves a trail of debris as it traverses the red planet. It sent NASA a photo of its heat shield in 2004, along with debris strewn across the ground several miles away. There are a total of 9 inactive spacecraft on Mars, including Mars Lander 3, Mars Lander 6, Viking 1 lander, Viking 2 lander, Sojourner rover, European Space Agency's Schiaparelli lander and Phoenix lander, and Spirit rover and the Opportunity rover. According to Killick, most of the robots are still intact and the space agency regards them as historical monuments, not discarded trash. If you add up the masses of all the spacecraft ever sent to Mars, you get about 22,000 pounds. Killick wrote in the conversation. Subtract the weight of the surface vehicle currently in service, 6,306 pounds, and you have 15,694 pounds of human remains on Mars. Thanks.